What? Open it up and fill my friend.
Looking on the Oh my god. Ignore that, that's so annoying. Huh? Hold up.
Chips and salsa. Be careful though, some chilies can be extra hot, so always ask an adult.
And get water.
Yeah, and get water. There's surprises hiding inside of it, and I think the hobby kids want to get out the first surprise. I'm Hobby Mom. Hobby kids are here to help with some toys. Oh, snot shots, totally gross. That's what it says. Alright, what's this all about? Is it sticky? Ew, it does look like snot. That's disgusting.
I got booger coming out.
Ew, it's a big green one.
Just through your nose, how to say
Next prize. What is that?
unique.
Reese's Pieces chocolate surprise.
It's Reese's Pieces.
Or is it just chocolate?
I don't know. I guess you have to open it up to find out.
Do you know?
I don't actually.
6 hours later.
Ew, he sneezed all over the chili pepper.
Back, chicken. I'm gonna squeeze you up.
Man, attack of the Reese's Pieces.
There's one for you, Hi Mom.
Yummy peanut butter. Hey, do I get one? Did I get one?
Yes.
How many were in there?
3.
3. Oh, perfect.
Free.
We won't
3.
tell Hobby Dad or Hobby Baby. It'll be our little chocolate secret.
Well, Hobby Baby won't know because he's a baby.
Oh, he knows what chocolate is. I think every baby figures that out at some point in life. I try to keep you guys away from chocolate as long as possible. But you know what happens? You just get too smart. Figure it out.
Why are you throwing snot
Really
around?
yummy. Look, it looks like you're smiling.
Oh, dude, it's so hot. I need to get to the desert quick. Run away, dude.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.